Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 14, Negotiation. Section 14 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 explains the concept of negotiation in relation to negotiable instruments. This provision is fundamental because it clarifies how ownership and the right to receive payment under a negotiable instrument are transferred from one person to another. 1. Statutory meaning of negotiation. When a promissory note, bill of exchange, or cheque is transferred to any person in such a manner that the transferee becomes the holder of that instrument, the instrument is said to be negotiated. In simple terms, negotiation refers to the lawful transfer of a negotiable instrument from one person to another, resulting in the transferee acquiring the legal right to possess and claim payment under that instrument. 2. Essential requirements of negotiation. For an instrument to be considered negotiated, it must be a promissory note, bill of exchange, or cheque, and there must be a transfer of the instrument. The transfer must be effected in such a manner that the transferee becomes the holder of the instrument and acquires the right to receive payment. Unless the transfer results in the transferee becoming the lawful holder, the transaction does not amount to negotiation under Section 14. 3. Meaning of holder. A person becomes a holder when they are entitled in their own name to possess the instrument and have the legal right to recover or receive the amount due on it. Therefore, mere physical possession without such legal entitlement does not amount to negotiation. 4. Modes of negotiation. A. Negotiation of bearer instruments. If the instrument is payable to bearer, it may be negotiated by mere delivery without the need for endorsement. For example, when a bearer cheque is handed over to another person, that person becomes the holder and the instrument stands negotiated. B. Negotiation of order instruments. If the instrument is payable to bearer, it may be negotiated by mere delivery without the need for endorsement. For example, when a bearer cheque is handed over to another person, that person becomes the holder and the instrument stands negotiated. 5. Difference between assignment and negotiation. Negotiation. Negotiation transfers both possession and legal title, enables the transferee to become a holder in due course, and provides better legal protection to the transferee. Assignment. An assignment transfers only the rights of the assigner and remains subject to existing defects or defenses, whereas negotiation confers stronger and more secure legal rights than a simple assignment. 6. Legal effect of negotiation. When an instrument is negotiated, the transferee becomes entitled to receive payment and may further negotiate the instrument unless it is lawfully restricted. In appropriate cases, the transferee may attain the status of a holder in due course, and the liabilities of prior parties continue unless legally discharged. 7. Purpose of negotiation. The concept of negotiation serves important commercial objectives by facilitating the smooth circulation of credit instruments, enabling the easy transfer of monetary obligations, and promoting trade and commerce. It also provides certainty and security in financial transactions, as negotiable instruments function as substitutes for money and negotiation is the mechanism that enables this role. For more details, contact us.